portal, it can be captured via four different ways. First is biometric device integration, second is through desktop or laptop, third is manual upload, and fourth is via the mobile app. Now, via the mobile app, we have a unique functionality that is geotagging, wherein you'll get the exact location of the employees from where they are punching in and punching out, along with the current date and time when they do so. We also provide geofencing where you can restrict the area from where the employees are marking the attendance. Outside that area, they'll not be able to punch in or punch out. We also provide IP address locking. So you can use any permutation and combination of these to get the attendance of the employees. So for the attendance module, as you can see, we have the three sections available: employee section, team section, and the admin section. So we will go within the employee section, and there we have the attendance module. Over here, the employee will be able to see if they want, they can punch in directly by clicking on this punch in punch out button, which will be available on their laptop or desktop. If you have multiple office locations, they can select from which office location they want to mark their attendance. They can also mention some notes over here, and they can punch in. So whenever they punch in, the current date and time is recorded in the system. Okay. Secondly, over here, as you can see, for the current month, the employees can check their average in time, out time, absent days, late marks, average work duration. Within the attendance calendar, they can view like on which all days of the month they were marked as present or absent. Within the attendance logs, they can check for each and every day of the month what was their in time, out time, total hours worked, any overtime hours, any deficit hours, and the status whether they were marked as present or absent for that particular day. Now, in few cases, it happens that the employee punches in, but in a hush hush to leave the office, they forget to punch out. So, in that case, they can even regularize their attendance. They can click on this regularization button. They can mention the date, in time, out time, requested status, whether present, absent, or half day. They can mention the reason why they were not able to punch out, and they can submit. So, whenever the employee submits a regularization request, it will go to the concerned manager for the approval. Whatever regularization request the employee has raised up till now, this is where they can check the status of the same, whether it is still pending, approved, cancelled, rejected by the manager, what is the status of the various regularization requests that they have raised up till now. They can view it over here. So this is about the attendance module in the Teamness portal.